See the now the next chapter after the matrix is determinant. That was also a very important chapter, which is based on a matrix only. So what is a determinant? So see, for every square matrix, there corresponds to a unique value, or every square matrix associate with the unique real number. That real number is called determinant of the square matrix. देखो जो, that real number is called determinant of the square matrix. So like this comes determinant. Supposed to be any matrix, square matrix, even A is matrix minus 5. A is matrix minus 5 of a 1 by 1. Now determinant of a square matrix A is denoted by like this DET bracket A. आप ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं या इस तरह रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ये मॉड्यूलस ऑफ ए नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट अ मॉड्यूलस ऑफ ए, बट दिस इज determinant of the square matrix A. Now what is the determinant of this square matrix? So you can say minus 5. That we write as a, see that you know, otherwise that would be a 5. So I repeat again, every square matrix associates with the unique real number. That real number is called determinant of the square matrix. Now this is a way of finding the determinant of the square matrix. Now we just take a matrix determinant of 2 by 2. So suppose to be a matrix A given A, B, C, D. Determinant of the square matrix 2 by 2, but you can also say determinant of 2 by 2. This we express as determinant of the square matrix C, or this way. We express the elements like this: A, B, C. This is when you write this way, in a this way bracket, this will be a matrix. But this expression is a determinant of the matrix, or you can say 2 by 2 determinant also you can see. When we represent in this way, A, B, C, D. This is called the second order determinant, or a determinant of the matrix 2 by 2. Here few things comes. This element A and B makes the first row of the determinant. We write as R1. It is just like a matrix only. This is the second row of the matrix. This A and C makes first column of the matrix. This B and D makes second column of the matrix. भाई ये तो सिमिलर था मैट्रिक्स की जैसे, but this is important. The component A and D, this makes the principal diagonal. the element A and D makes the principal diagonal like this. This element B and C makes secondary diagonal. Understood? This A, B, C, D are the elements of the second order determinant. They makes the two rows, two columns, principal diagonal and secondary diagonal. Understood? Next is this side. Value of second order determinant. So if you have given a like this determinant second order A, B, C, D, the value of a second order determinant is simply cross multiplication. You have to start with the principal diagonal A into D minus B into C. AD into BC is the value of a second order determinant, or you can say determinant of the square matrix 2 by 2. I just take a few examples. Number 1, suppose given 2, 4, 5, 7. This will become what? 2 7s are 14 minus 5 4s are 20. So this value become what? Minus 6. See, everyone has to write the notes also when you see this video that time. Then only you clear. Suppose you have given minus 3 minus 4, 5 minus 7. So cross multiplication again, minus 3 minus 7 minus 4 into 5. So it will be a 20 plus 20. Sorry, 7 3s are 21, but minus plus, and minus plus 4 5s are 20. So that answer will be what? 41. Sometimes they can give you a irrational number like this. See, 2 plus root 3, root 3 minus root 3 plus root 2, 2 minus. Try to understand. The thing is what? Value of this determinant? Just cross multiplication. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. I think you know the factor. A plus B into A minus B is what? A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B. So you can use here A square minus B square means here we can use what? 2 square means 4 and root 3 square is 3 minus. Similar way here, A minus B, A plus B means what? A square minus B square is 3 minus 2. So this should be 1 minus 1 become 0. So the value of this determinant is what? 0. Sometimes they can give you a trigonometry. Cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta, cos theta. See, the thing is very simple. Value of a second order determinant. A, B, C, D. Just cross multiply. AD minus BC. The same thing we are doing. You have to take a different examples. तो आप ये लॉजिक न भूल पाओ. अब यहाँ अलग अलग लॉजिक व्हाट यू कैन से वैल्यूज दे कैन यूज. यहाँ सर्ड यूज किया इरेशनल नंबर, या ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज किया. कॉस इंटू कॉस, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस, बट दिस माइनस बिकम प्लस, साइन इंटू साइन, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. एंड एवरीवन नो cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. Now we can use the same thing, the value of a second order determinant, in a different way also. See, I just take one example. जैसे कि number 1, if two determinants are equal, 2, 4, 5, 1 is equal to 2x 4 6x. Find x if these two determinants are equal. Find x if these two determinants are equal. Very simple. We have to simplify only. 2 ones are 2 minus 20 is equal to 2x into x, 2x square minus 6 fours are 24. 2 minus 20 is minus 18 is equal to 2x square minus 24. So 2x square is equal to, can I say 24 minus 18? So 2x square equal to what? 6. So x square is 3. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. So see, here I have used equality and value of a second order determinant, and we get it in this way. Well, sometime you will get here, in the some example, quadratic equation, and you have to solve that equation. Understood? I show you another example. See, suppose to be you have given a matrix A, determinant A is equal to 3, 4, 7, 2. Prove that matrix A given, matrix A given, and you have to prove determinant of the matrix 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of the matrix A. I repeat, determinant of the matrix 2A equal to 4 into determinant of the matrix A. Now we have to see left hand side first. 2A means what? So 2 into 3, 4, 7, 2. In the matrix we multiply 2, so it becomes what? See, 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Now when we go for a determinant of the matrix 2A, it means this matrix become determinant 6, 8, 14, 4. 6 4s are 24 minus 14 8s are what? 8 4s are 32, 3. 8 1s are 8 and 3, 11. Minus 1, 1, 2. So that minus will be what? 24 kare to 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. So that should be minus 88. This is your number 1. Now for the right hand side, 4 determinant of the matrix means 4 into determinant of what? Original 3, 4, 7, 2. 4 को तो बाहर ही रहने देंगे. 3 2s are 6 minus 28. So this should be 4 into minus 22 is what? Minus 88. From 1 and 2 we can say that mode of 2A is equal to 4 mode of A. Sorry, not mode. Determinant of the matrix 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of the matrix A. So this is like these sums given in a 4.1 for the second order determinant, or you can say determinant of the square matrix 2 by 2. Now like this story we have for a determinant of the square matrix 3 by 3, or you can say a determinant of the 3 by 3. Just you look the second question carefully again. I just rough this because we have to start the next point, third order determinant. Okay, see, साथ में आप लिखो भी सही, सो यू विल रियलाइज कैसे करना है. प्लीज सी. Next, you can say third order determinant. Suppose, or you can say for every I is equal to 1, 2, 3, AI, BI and CI belongs to R given. AI, BI, CI belongs to R given. मतलब I1 ले तो क्या होगा एलिमेंट A1, B1, C1. I2 ले तो होगा A2, B2, C2. I3 ले तो होगा A3, B3, C3. Now I'm taking a matrix A first of all, then it will be like this: A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Now determinant of the matrix A, we also express like this, is what? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Understood? Here again the same thing, that see, when you express the determinant like this: A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. The element A1, B1, C1 makes what? First row. This element A2, B2, C2 makes what? Second row. The element A3, B3, C3 makes what? Third row. Like this, A1, A2, A3 makes what? First column. This is second column. This is third column. Now the important thing is this element A1, B2, C3 makes what? Principal diagonal. And this C1, B2 and A3 makes what? Secondary diagonal. This is principal diagonal. And this is secondary. Is that clear? They are the element of the determinants. Now the important thing is what here? Value of third order determinant. Please see. Supposed to be my determinant A, I just take directly. A is given, suppose A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Okay? How many rows? This A1, B1, C1 first row, A2, B2, C2 second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. Now this logic we are using for finding the value of a third order determinant. Or you can say that determinant of the matrix of the value of order 3 by 3. See, we start with the A1. Now just remember, A1 element present in the first row and first column. Left the element of the row and column in which A1 present. Now whatever remaining element remains, you make the second order determinant from them. So remaining elements are what? B2, C2, B3, C3. I'll repeat. We start with the first row element. We start with the A1. A1 present in the first row and the first column. So we remove the elements of the first row and the first column in which A1 present, and the remaining element we write it as it is in the form of second order determinant. Similarly, minus B1, अब माइनस क्यों लेते हैं, दैट वी सी लेटर ऑन. B1 present in the first row and second column. So the rest of the element is A2 C2 A3 C3. So that also we express in the same form, A2 C2 A3 C3. I repeat, second component we take a minus B1 and we remove the elements in which the row and column in which the B1 present. So this B1 present in the first row and the second column. So remaining is A2 A3 and C2 C3 as it is format. I have written and made a 2 by 2 determinant plus C1, the last element of the first row, second column. So the rest of the element A2 B2 A3 B3. So that we write in this way, A2 B2 A3 B3. Got it? अब क्या करेंगे भाई? So just solve as a second order determinant, B2 C3 minus C2 B3 minus B1 into A2 C3 minus C2 A3 plus C1 into A2 B3 minus B2 A3. Is that clear? This expansion is a very important for you people. I tell you, you have to write at least 10-15 times this point, so you by heart this logic. Clear? You can go like this. See A1, समझो ये नहीं करना है. A1 present, so just cross multiply. B2 C3 minus C2 B3 minus B1, so A2 C3 minus C2 A3 plus C1 A2 B3 minus B2 A3. आप डायरेक्टली डिटर्मिनेंट से इस तरह लिख सकते हो. जैसे एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं. D इज इक्वल टू डिटर्मिनेंट गिवन 2 3 4 minus 1 2 5 5 2 1. You can go by this way. Even you can go directly like this. See, first 2 into 2 ones are 2 minus 10. I write that 2 minus 10 minus 3 into, press this, so minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 5 5s are 25, so minus 25.